It's 48 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alexa, how cold will it get tonight?
Overnight, we can look for clear skies, with temperatures around 28 degrees Fahrenheit.
This is a cold start on my 1965 F100. It's got the 390 FE motor. This hasn't been started in over 4.5 months, so this is as raw as it's gonna get. It's kind of chilling in here. It's what did they say, 48 degrees?
48.
It's 48 degrees. We'll see how this does on a cold start. It's kind of a cold start because it's a cold day. We'll see how the truck responds to not being started for pumps. Slight choke. Let's see what she does.